Welcome to our lesson about the rip tool. I've got a shell in my graphic area, and I want to rip my shell at these three corners and in the middle of this face. Let's begin by inserting a sketch on this face. Line tool. Draw it midpoint to midpoint. Exit the sketch. Now let's activate the rip tool. I'll select the edges to rip first. We can choose the first, the second, or both directions. Lastly here, I'll select this sketch. We've also got the option to rip in one, two, or both directions. Let's click OK. Now to finish the conversion, I'm going to use the Insert Bends tool. First thing to do is specify the fixed face. As you may have noticed by now, we can simply use the Rip Parameters section of the Insert Bends Property Manager. Let's click OK. And OK again. Let's flatten our part to make sure it looks okay. Looks good. Let's unflatten. And this concludes our lesson about the Rip tool.